Alright guys, today we're gonna be reviewing another expensive looking watch that won't break your bank. Here's what's in the box. Let's see, it comes in two beautiful boxes. Open it here. Has a card, international guarantee right there. Oh, it's a nice black card. It's a guarantee, so you got guarantee there. Then you got the instruction manual, how to change the time, how to do a whole bunch of stuff in there. Then we got a cloth to clean it, black cloth. We got the tool to check, to fix the watch band, comes with it. And then we got the timepiece right here. There's another watch. Let me get it closer so you guys can see it. This is the watch right here. It's an expensive looking watch and it won't break your bank. Just to go out, you don't want to wear your digital one like everybody else. You want to be old school. You gotta look classic. Here it is. This is the rose gold one. They have different type of colors. Let me see if I can take this plastic so you can see it better. Oh, there you go. There you have it. Yeah, this is nice. It's water resistant up to 100 feet. It's the band right there. It's a classic look with the dial where you can change the time, date, and the month. This looks pretty cool. It's clean. It's pretty clean. I like it. Brings up. You can change the battery in it once it dies. So it has a. It's stainless steel. Says it back here. Pretty sure you can't see it because of the watch band, but it's for the price. It looks really nice. It feels very well made. I don't know if it's gonna fit me, but let's see how it looks. Yeah, it's a lot bigger. But here, let me put it like this. This is my Apple Watch and the classic one. So wanna look classic, wanna look interesting. There's the watch right here. And it doesn't cost a lot. So you're looking for a watch that looks nice, won't break your bank. You can check and fix your watch band to your fitting. It will last you a long time. It has let's see what it says here. 100. It's water resistant. It's water resistant. Stainless steel. It looks really cool, really nice. So if you're looking for a cool watch, I got you. Here's the one. It won't break the bank, but it will look like $1 million. So I hope this video helped, and thank you for watching.